Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick announcement for a new web browser update that's called Firefox. Of course, Firefox is used by apparently about 250 million people around the world. So we are May the 5th, 2020, and Mozilla Firefox still updating at the same pace as they used to, about every 4 weeks. They were mentioning that, there could be, there's a lot of companies that, mentioned that they would have delays in some of the browsers and stuff with COVID-19. Firefox says, nope, we're continuing with the same schedule of updating every 4 weeks and keeping up with the schedule for the year 2020. So what's interesting here for us on this channel is that, first of all, if you want to know if you're at the latest version, fire up your Firefox browser. And it should update by itself technically. If you're not sure, simply go to the upper right corner on the 3 lines or hamburger menu, go into Help and go into Firefox. It should update automatically and you should be at 76.0. For this is available, by the way, for Windows, Mac OS 10 and Linux versions. There's a lot of security fixes once again this month in here, so it's important to do the security updates. If you want to know more about what's integrated in here, the Windows and Computer channel is talking about that. Here we focus on security. Several high and critical security vulnerabilities that are available in here. So there's a lot of little things that can impact your security if you don't update to the latest version. So basically, quite a few updates on security, lots of moderate updates also, and quite a few ways of actually spoofing and being able to even kind of leak out of some of the security or some of the sandbox, including a memory safety bug that is fixed here, where this means that by crafting a perfect code, you could actually create that flaw and mean that suddenly you're opening a hole where you can actually inject code and, of course, the controller PC, inject viruses, and so on. So many security fixes in this version. It's important, if not for the features, at least for security, to keep your browser up to date. So check it out. Firefox 76 is now available for download on either, if you don't have it and you want it, you can go to Firefox website, but of course, just fire up your browser. Normally it updates automatically, and like I said, if it doesn't, go into the hamburger menu on the upper right corner, go down to Help, and just click on About Firefox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.